Check it. Alright guys, what is up? You are back for another video with Data Zero. In this video, we're going to look at Bitcoin and Ethereum. And guys, just a quick warning off the top. When it comes to these meme coins that I'm about to mention, you do not want to hold these things, trade these things in and out, and they are risky. When it comes to Bitcoin and Ethereum, they are solid. You should add these to your portfolio heavy. Meme coin should be a small portion of your portfolio. But we're going to look at the next PEPE, possibly find some coins that are going to pop off just like PEPE did. You want to get to these coins before the normies find out about them. So I'm going to let you guys know about that. Tapped into the meme coin community. And we're going to look at the charts and the facts for Bitcoin, giving you guys some technical analysis for Bitcoin and Ethereum for predictions for where I see the prices going. So without wasting any more time, let's go ahead and hop in the charts, the facts, the data, and see what we have going on. That's what is up. You are back for another video with Data Zero. In this video, we're going to look at a few meme coins, and we're going to look at the cryptocurrency market and Bitcoin, giving you guys technical analysis and updates on the newest meme coins. And we're going to talk about PEPE as well. Guys, I think it might be time to get rid of PEPE. If you are holding PEPE, sell, all right? Or if you are holding it, at least trade it. Do not diamond hand this coin. But let's go ahead and get in the charts, the facts, and data. Let's go. All right, guys, as you guys can see on the daily time frame, we keep getting this false break of this overall pennant. As you guys can see, Bitcoin had this huge move to the upside and now is in this bullish pennant, which is a bullish consolidation, telling me that Bitcoin is probably going to go up to about 31 to 32,000. I think after this next break of 30,000, we should be able to push above it and hold these key levels of support. If you go ahead and look at the macro time frame, the macro picture is looking very, very good for Bitcoin. As you guys can see, we have this huge falling wedge, which is a bullish consolidation pattern. As you guys can see, you have a falling wedge which pushes to the upside, then it will consolidate in a falling wedge and then make a higher high. If you go ahead and type in falling wedge on the chart, you guys can see what this pattern looks like, and it always calls for a higher high or a retest of the previous high. As you guys can see, we have this falling wedge, then you go into the the uptrend, then you have a falling wedge, and then you go into another uptrend. And this is exactly what Bitcoin is seeing. We also have bullishness on the weekly MACD, and we have indicators that we have not seen in quite some time, telling us that bullish momentum is coming into Bitcoin. As you guys can see, if I go ahead and put on the super trend, you guys will see that we have bullish indications showing Bitcoin is moving to the upside and going to start a new uptrend, in my personal opinion. If we go ahead and check on the weekly time frame, you guys can see that we have this buy signal on the weekly time frame that we have only gotten two other times before. Well, we've gotten it more times before, but the last two recent times we had this run up here and this run up here, telling us that we should have a substantial move in Bitcoin. And until we see this sell signal, the move is not ending. So guys, we still have that buy signal and we do not have that sell signal on the weekly time frame. So I'm looking for Bitcoin to continue this move to the upside. Now we do have a bit of bearish divergence in the RSI, but guys, we can push up past it, start to consolidate and break that bearish divergence. This is on the daily and the 4-hour time frame. So that is what I'm looking at for Bitcoin. I do think we're going to push up in the 31, 32,000 range and hold those levels next time we break above those levels. Now, let's go ahead and look at the meme coins. Two meme coins that I'm tracking is Floki, Inu, and PEPE, but there is another one as well called Dingo LFG. Dingo LFG is one I am tracking as well, is a meme coin that is potentially moving up in the ranks. It was just on here. I cannot seem to find it. Let's go ahead and refresh and see if it pops up on there. But Dingo LFG is another coin as well. If you go ahead and search on CoinGecko, you can find Dingo LFG. There's another one as well called Wojak. So there's Wojak and there's Dingo LFG. So let's go ahead and check out Wojak and then Dingo LFG, just showing you guys what we are looking at for these two meme coins. You want to get into these coins before all the normies start to talk about it. And what's happening is the normies are starting to hear about Dingo LFG, or starting to hear about PEPE, and they're starting to hear about PEPE, and a lot of these normal bigger accounts are starting to talk about this. And when the bigger accounts start to talk about this stuff, you know it is too late. You want to get people that are tapped into the meme coin market, that find these things early before all the normies start to hear about it, and that's when you want to get in. Guys, as you guys can see, Wojak is one of these as well. Wojak is another coin that I'm looking at. I was telling you guys about. It is seeing some downside, and I would be very careful with this coin, but it has seen some major upside recently, and it is not as popular as PEPE, so it has not reached the mainstream as of yet. Another one is Dingo, Dingo LFG. So guys, we go ahead and look at Dingo LFG and see what we're looking at. So it's a ticker DINO. This is another one as well that I think has great potential, up 50% on the day. As you guys can see, this one I think has great potential. Dingo LFG I think has huge potential. You can get these on Uniswap. So what you want to do is go ahead and go over to Uniswap, trade some Ethereum for these coins, and you can buy Wojak, Dingo LFG, all of these on uniswap.com. Let's go ahead and check out PEPE. So guys, as you guys can see, PEPE is moving down on the day. Again, all the normies are starting to find about it, and I bet that hitting they have a clause in the smart contract where they can start blacklisting IP addresses. That is what they're going to do. They're going to start dumping on these normies, on the retail investors. PEPE is going to start going down, in my personal opinion. Again, it could have some resurgence later, but in my personal opinion, I think this one is near the top, and you might want to get rid of it if you are in profits, or take some profits and then get back in. Only trade this coin. It is very, very volatile. Now, as you guys can see, most altcoins are up on the hour, as we are seeing a little bit of push to the upside. Let's go ahead and check Ethereum as well and see what's popping with Ethereum on the charts, and then wrap up this video and maybe look at a few more meme coins. But guys, as you guys can see, Ethereum as well has this bullish pattern from the weekly time frame. As you guys can see on the bigger charts, the macro pattern, this is what you want to pay attention to catch the bigger moves. We have that buy signal, and the same buy signal we had when we had this run and this one, we have that buy signal as well, and it's just beginning on Ethereum, as we had this bullish consolidation pattern as well, which is a bottoming pattern, as you guys can see, and we're going to push to the upside. It is similar to this pattern right here. As you guys can see, a falling wedge, or a wedge type pattern, which can be a bottoming pattern as well, as you guys can see in this diagram right here. So Ethereum it's in a pennant or slash wedge, which it had, and now is breaking to the upside. So this is a wedge or pennant, I would call it, and now it's breaking to the upside. Is that, as you guys can see, it broke out of it, retested it as support, and is now pushing to the upside. And I do see higher prices in Ethereum's future, and I do think we're going into a new bull run between 2023 and 2024 into the Bitcoin halving, and I do think Bitcoin is going to go against the stock market. I think the stock market actually has a little bit more downside, which could put some drag on Bitcoin. But if you guys have noticed, since the banking crisis has been started, each time a bank fails and the markets go down, Bitcoin has been going up, especially on the days that the big banks crash. This starts to pump, and people are starting to realize that this is a better store of value than the banks, and much better than the banks, and a better way to hedge yourself against the fiat crypto or Ponzi scheme that is fiat currency. So guys, this is what I have for the Bitcoin charts. I do think that Ethereum and Bitcoin are going to be moving to the upside and causing a slight altcoin season here into 2023, into 2024, especially once Bitcoin gets above this 32,000 range. You'll start to see more mania come into the markets. But as you guys can see, meme coins are starting to take off. Altcoins are starting to take off and see major gains, as some of these altcoins in the month have seen major gains as well. As you guys can see, RNDR up 60%, XRD up 94%, CSPR up 39%. So some of these altcoins and meme coins have seen massive gains. Floki Inu up 24% on the month. So some of these coins have seen more gains than others, but we are starting to see these coins move. But guys, this is pretty much everything I have for you on the cryptocurrency and meme coin market. I'll try to keep you guys tapped in on the hottest meme coins and what is popping up in the current meme market. I do these videos at least once a week, so I drop these videos at least every weekend about cryptocurrency, letting you guys know what's going on in the cryptocurrency market, talking about the Bitcoin charts, talking about meme coins and the latest meme coins. So guys, I will be finding more meme coins, so if you find this interesting, go ahead and subscribe and like. I will be dropping more content like this. And again, Dingo LFG is another one that I think has great potential, up massively in the last 24 hours, up massively in the last 7 days. As you guys can see right here are the charts, and it's just starting to take off. So this one could see massive gains in my personal opinions. Dingo LFG. Another one is Wojak. That one's a little bit more
well known. And again, you want to get into these coins before they're known by the mainstream, before the normies find out about them. And then, of course, you have PEPE, but I think PEPE's run is coming to an end. It might have a little bit more push to the upside, but guys, I think it's going to be coming to the end soon, unless it gets listed on some mainstream like crypto or like Coinbase or something like that. PEPE might start to see a fade in price, but it could always pop up. You never know. But again, that's something you need to just trade. You should trade all of these meme coins. Don't diamond hand these things. It's a way to get wrecked. But guys, as always, have fun. Stay safe. You guys can check me out on Twitter and Discord for even more stock and crypto updates. I talk about stocks, cryptos, and trades all day long. So if you find any of that interesting, go ahead and check it out. Link down in the comment section and description below. And as always, have fun. Stay safe. Make money. Peace out.
All right, guys, that was the video. Thank you for watching. I truly appreciate each and every one of you that shows love and drops comments. It really does mean the world to me. And guys, remember, you can check me out on Twitter and Discord for even more Data Zero updates. I talk about my stocks, cryptos, trades all day long. So if you find any of that interesting, go ahead and check it out. Link down in the comment section description below. And as always, guys, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out.